Hey guys, this is Rishikesh. So today I am going to tell about the thing that is immortality in human. So is it exactly possible that we can regenerate or restore the cell and the brain and the different organ of a human in order to reform his or her life? Okay, so how do basically the human age? So if we will talk about how do human age, the basic things that are the cell damage first of all, then the telomere sorting. Okay, so the second one is telomere sorting and the first one is cell division. So then the third one is DNA mutation, then organ wear and tear. Okay, so organism that can biologically restore or reset, there is one organism actually which is very micro level, we can say, that is Turritopsis dorni. So Turritopsis dorni is a kind of simple microorganism which doesn't have the complex systems like human. So human are far away from those organism because human have the complexity in their organ system, in their circulatory system, or in their process, or in their chemical enzymes. So humans are far more complex than these simple organisms. So then for the if we will talk about the recent or going on researches, that is slowing aging, the researches that is going in the Harvard University and MIT and Oxford University and other research center university, means which university which are doing researches actually. So some resources that are actually going on, the main resources research is slowing the aging, means the aging process can be slowed, so that they are researching. And regenerating the organs, the genetic editing and anti-cancer research, and then the longevity medicine. So longevity medicine is to bring the age back in a human, means they can extend the age, means they can extend the death. Do you know, they can extend the death by taking this medicine. So they are researching upon these five things, that is slowing the aging, regenerating the organs, genetic editing and anti-cancer research, and longevity medicines. Okay, then what is cell damage? If I will tell first of all the thing that I have told, that cell damage, then telomere sorting, then the DNA mutation, then the organ wear and tear. So first we will talk about what is the cell damage. So what is basically the cell damage? Your body has trillion of cells, as you know that a human body consists of trillions of cells, and each cell in each particular time divides. It means the cell divides, performs the mitosis and meiosis. If the cell is somatic, so it will perform the cell division. If the cell is reproductive cell, then also it will divide by the mitosis and meiosis. These are the process. Okay, so meiosis is the process that the in the division of the cell, that is reproductive cell. So mitosis is the somatic cell, which is other than the reproductive cell. So that cell division means the trillions of cell dies and regenerates. Okay, so in the cell, if I tell, there are many external and internal factor that is actually affecting the cell. Means if I will tell the harmful chemicals, the pollutants that are present in the air, and many other hormonal changes that also affects the cell. So that's why for if I will tell about the slowing aging, means if I will extend the life, then we should work on our environment, the place we are living, the food we are eating, and the habits we are following. So these three things affects our health actually. Okay, so the thing is that the life of a cell is affecting both by the internally and externally. So this is the fact. And every second many of them get damaged and rewired. they means many of the cell get damaged and rewire as well. So this is the thing. And if I will tell that like DNA mutation means during the mitosis process, the genes of the sperm and from the ovum get mixed and a new variation in the gene forms. So when this variation forms, then over the period of time, then the DNA mutation occurs, means there are the multiplying of DNA. So this also affects in the human age. Then organ wear and tear means, this I have told that if a person is doing work, definitely his or her organ will be supporting him or her. So this is the thing, means the organ is doing as work as well with the body. So if we can stop the work of organ in a kind that if a body is performing the work, the organ or the cell should not be affected. By this process we can contribute to the immortality concept. So it is the before the researchers are going on the immortality, means there are no not a single research on the immortality, there are exactly not any research. So coming back to our topic, so presently there are no researchers are currently going on this topic, that is immortality, because many people are not incapable, but they think that it doesn't have any sense. But if we will go more deeper into the genetic variations and more deeper and study the exact thing, we could discover, not now, I am not telling about now, but in the near future or maybe the far future, we will able to discover it. Okay, so basically before the researches on this immortality topic, it is thought as the subjective, because many people have many opinions about it. But after the research, means in the future I am telling that if this research will be successful for these things, means like immortality, if this will be successful, then I hope that this will become objective, means this concept of immortality will become objective. So I hope this will occur. And if we want to actually make the things in the human, the immortality in human, then we should study more on the Turritopsis and Turritopsis dorni. So Turritopsis dorni is a kind of simple organism, we should study on it, because we know that it doesn't have any complexity in the system level or the organism level, but we can coordinate it with the human for to contribute in the immortality purpose. So this can be a factor. So there are also the like kind of fish, like jellyfish, many kind of fish, not all jellyfish, but some kind of jellyfish have the mutating property and restoring and rewiring property. So we should work more on it, more on the zoology and botany part. So there are many kind of trees and animals as well at the microte level, which can contribute in this idea. So we should need a means research, a proper research on this immortality factor. So for now, this much, right? Bye.